Within our universe, there happens a numerous of astronomical events. Even without our knowledge, there happens the various such events, and a very small number of such events we get to know about. Astronomers all around the world put their eyes on such events to get more about them. They observe the field outside the scope of our Earth, such as the stars, the planets, the moons, comets, and galaxies. In today's video, we are going to discuss about such astronomical events which happens once in a century or it is going to happen in the nearby future. So guys, this is Mohit and you're watching Know the Fact. So let's get started. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe so that we can reach our goal of 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So now let us begin. Firstly, let us discuss about the Halley's Comet. This Halley's Comet was discovered by Edmond Halley in the year 1758. It makes its full revolution around the sun in the time period of approximately 75 years. It is the only short period visible comet which can be seen through our naked eyes once in 75 years when it reaches the nearest to the earth. It was last appeared in the year 1986 and next it will appear in the mid of 2016 to 2062. The approximate mass of this comet is around 220 trillion kg. This comet is having a diameter of 11 km. If you are a teenager, then you can observe this comet in the coming year. Next event in our list is the total solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is mainly observed in every portion of the earth every year and it is very common event. This occurs when the sun and the moon and the earth are aligned in a straight line. But the total solar eclipse occurs when the light of sun is completely covered by the moon. One such incident is going to occur in the year 2027, 2nd August. It is among the second longest solar eclipse within the 10,000 year with a time duration of approx 6 minutes and 22 seconds. It will occur over much of the central eastern hemisphere. If you live in these regions, then you are probably going to see it. One more such incident is going to happen in the year 2186 in 16th July, which will be the longest solar eclipse with a duration of 7 minutes and 28 seconds. But none of us will be alive to observe that day. So the next event in our list is supernova. It is going to be the biggest explosion of star ever seen. This happens when a star at least 5 times the mass of our sun goes out with a fantastic bang. These events are so bright that they outshine their entire galaxy for a few days or even months. Last time it was witnessed on 23rd February 1987, which was named Supernova 1987A. It was the closest observed supernova since Kepler's supernova. Now, Ohio State University's astronomers has concluded that there is a probability of almost 100% that a star will go supernova in Milky Way during next 50 years, which will be visible from the Earth by our naked eyes. Friends, you all have must heard about supermoon. Last time it was seen on November 2016, when the moon was 17% larger than its original size. It is the state of moon when it comes closest to the earth in its eclipsed orbit, resulting in a slight larger than usual apparent size. The closest full supermoon of the 21st century will occur on 6th December 2052 and it will spread over more moonlight than usual. Notable supermoons will also observed in the year 2070, 2088 and 2098. Next event is Venus occludes Jupiter. Occultation is an event that occurs when an object is hidden by another object that passes between it and the observers. These occultations are extremely rare. The occultation of Venus on Jupiter occurred on 3rd January 1818 and the next will occur on 22nd November 2065. Both involves the same two planets Venus and Jupiter. Before transacting Jupiter, Venus will occult Jupiter moon Ganymede at around 11:24 UTC and will occult at Jupiter at about 12:43 UTC. The next event is Leonid meteor shower. This event occurs when a large number of asteroids enters in the Earth's gravitational area and falls down. It was firstly discovered in the year 1835 and occurs in every 33 years. Next time we will witness this event in the year 2031. Their resources at approximately the same date every year. It is a coincidence. They appear to radiate from a certain point in the sky and varies the speed, frequency, and brightness. The next and last event in our list is planetary alignment. When the planets are in the same general region of the sky, that stage is called planetary alignment. In other words, we can say that a straight line can be drawn through the center of all the planets. This occurrence is almost impossible for exact alignment because of their orientation and the tilt of their orbits. The last time they appeared even in the same part of the sky was over 1000 years ago, in the year AD 949, and they won't manage it again until 6 May 24092. This occurrence is almost impossible for exact alignment because of their orientation and the tilt of their orbits. The last time they appeared even in the same part of the sky was over 1000 years ago, in the year 949 AD, and they won't manage it again until 6 May 24092. But none of us will be there to witness this event. But we can observe the alignment of five planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Venus, and Mercury. This alignment will take place 20 years from now on 8th September 2040. So we can witness this alignment. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then hit the like button. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can reach to 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like our page and follow our page. The links of social media are given in the description. You can check it out. And if you're having any queries or feedback, then do mention in the comment section below.